an implementation of printing various patterns using Python. You can contact us at mehra.ruchi77@gmail.com. Our alternative ID is webtunix@gmail.com. For web solutions, you can visit our website www.webtunix.com. For online training, you can go to the website www.mindcreature.com. Further, for finding the help in research, you can move to our website www.infinitesolution.in. Now, let's proceed about printing various patterns using Python. Friends, first of all, let me say that Python is a very simple language to understand. Let me show you a code how you can print different patterns using Python. For example, we have to print the stars in the decreasing order. The range is from -5 to 0. What you have to do, it's very simple to write it in Python. First of all, open any editor. Let us suppose that we have opened Sublime Text, that is an editor where we can write our code. Then to just run that Python, compile it, we have to use DOS operating system, and there we have to just write the command Python and the name of a program it can be run. Now first of all, in the Sublime, I have opened the Sublime, and in this text editor I have written a line for printing decreasing stars for n in the range -5 to 0. It means that we have initialized the range from -5 to -1. 0 is not to be included. Then what we do is just we have implemented n is equal to n plus 1, and then we have to print multiply the star with the value. Just to evaluate this into further detail, I can say that let the first value is -5. What it would do is, in the second step, it will print the value that is equal to -4, because -5 plus 1 is equal to -4. Then when we go to the third line, what it will do, it will multiply the star with, just will put the value -4 in the n, it will become 4, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and in the first line 5 stars will be printed. Then we will go to the second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, and at every line the stars will be decreased. And now what we do, we just run this program using the DOS. When we have seen the DOS, we have set the command that our file is in the desktop, then it is in the path. Now I just write the command Python, the name of file is decreasing patterns 1. So when I just put the enter, you can see that the stars are printed in the decreasing order, starting from the 5 stars, then 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, 1 star. In this way, Python can be used to implement different sort of patterns. We can also print star and other alphabets together. Like we have implemented a program here that is, it is implementing both star as well as plus in one program. As we can see that in this we have seen a range of I, then we have set the range of inner loop, and the logic is that unless the inner loop is not completed, it will not come out and will execute the outer loop. Then we have just implemented a logic that if we have if we are doing the modulus of inner loop and it is equal to 0, mean it is in the even place, then you have to print star. But if it is in the odd place, then you have to print plus. Then we have implemented this code, and now let me run this code and show you friends that how it is implemented. Just write Python and the name of a program. Let me see, the name of program is patterns.numbers. So patterns.number, you can see in this code that in the first line only star is printed, in the second line star and plus, third line star plus and star, then star plus star plus. If you analyze this output, we can see that at the even places we are printing star, and at the odd places we are printing plus. So we can print different sort of patterns